So after 45 minutes of traveling from Kushi Tunnel, it's not Kushi pala, it's Koshi daw, Koshi Tunnel. So we're now here sa Mekong River, pero medyo maulan kasi, so papalipasin daw muna namin ang ulan. Bawal daw mag-boat kapag maulan kasi it's dangerous. So as you can see here, this is the river. Look. Ayan. So yung river nila ay color, anong color ba? Brown. Look at that. So may mga water lily. Actually guys, itong Mekong River is famous din siya and very useful tong river na to kasi mahaba tong river na to. I think nasasakop niya yung Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos. Yan yung river na yan. So, dyan din nangyayari ang mga trading between or among countries. So, sakay kami ng boat and then after that, lilipat kami ng island para sa mga kung anik-anik. Look at my attire today. So, sakto nag-shorts lang ako kasi nga, I know na medyo siguro mababasa dahil nga sa dahil sa river. And look at this. Ito yung mga souvenir items nila. May mga pa-souvenir dito, wallet, and mga hat and cap, mga bags. Gusto ko sana bilhan ng mother ko ng mga ganitong cap, kaso ito yung parang pang Miss Vietnam, kaso kasi hindi nakakasya yan sa maleta, diba? Ganda sana and bag. Kasi baka mahirapan lang ako mag-transport. And another bag. Puro bags. Oh, crocodile. I think this is real crocodile. What? Crocodile leather. Yan. So, ito siya. Ayun na, papunta na kami. Let's go! The Mekong River connects many countries, right?
Yes, 6 countries.
Thailand.
They start from Chinese in Tibet.
Tibet.
Yes, in Chinese go to Laos,
Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia,
and the
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
I think we can take photo here. Sasakay na po kami sa boat. Here is... Purpeso tayo dito sa likod para maganda. Finally, we're here after 10 minutes. So ito yung tsura ng mga damo-damo. Thank you. Saan yung crocodile? May mga pomelo. Langka. Ang dami. Parang sap ko. Look. It's time for us to eat na. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Lumpia. Pero that's not our foods. Wow. So delicious. So dito kami. Oh my God. Wow. Sarap.
You can sit here. Then take a photo with the elephant ear fish here. Elephant ear. Because the shape it looks like
Elephant ear. Ah, oo nga, no.
Doon sinabi ni Terry elephant. Kala ko yung elephant talaga yung kakain.
Dahil naka-shade na
Sarap. This is vegetarian. Ano ba to? Lumpia. Chicken. And the fish. Wow, kangkong. Kangkong ba yan? Ayan guys, so ganito po gumawa ng spring roll sila kuya. So sa harapan namin siya ginagawa. Ang galing.
French fries.
Sige, sige. Pwede po ba?
Dito ko mawak dito.
Ayan.
Okay. Dahan-dahan lang.
Pag binagsak ko po to, magkakagulo lahat. Pwede pa picture po? Ayan, yun, doon na lang. Ayan. Ano yung sabi ni kuya kanina na ano? Yung kakamayin daw?
Ano? Hindi ito yun.
Ay, kukunin yung bee? Ay, yung ano? Yung honey?
Gusto ko tikman yung
Ah,
honey. Asan yung free? Pero depende kung pwede.
baka ito.
Okay, finish. Okay, miss, I wanna try the honey here.
Me. Ako. I want.
So, give me your finger.
Okay, go.
Are they not angry if you do it?
Not. That's what.
Really?
That's why I only chose 4. If
Okay.
you try too much, just
They
pull
will
your
get
hand.
angry.
Yes.
I-soft mo lang kamay mo.
Careful, what if they get squished?
Mm.
Oo. Hala, parang nababother
Honey there?
sila.
Ah, may honey. Yes.
You try that natural one.
Can I
Yeah, eat
eat?
it.
Came from the bee?
Mm.
No.
No, di naman nakakatakot. Oo, di ka naman nilanahin. Go, go. Try.
Hard naman eh.
Ayan guys, so nagpe-prepare si ate ng tea with the honey. And guys, nakita nyo ba yung ano, bubuyog? Ayan, bubuyog oh. Look. Yan, hindi po langaw yan. Bubuyog po yan guys.
Container.
You drink and you eat.
Alright, so we're now here. Anong gagawin natin dito?
One there, one here.
Dragon. Ano nga to? Yung ano?
Parang sweet corn. Wait, natin bumalik si Ayun, dito na.
Dragon fruit.
Then you can try some Vietnamese folk music here.
Okay.
Which will recognize by.
So, kain tayo
Pwede mo raw isaw-saw
sa asin.
yan, yes.
Asin.
Kay chili sauce.
Oo nga eh, kaso ang dami ng bawal sa akin eh.
Okay na, it's not sweet actually. Diabetic po kayo.
Hindi naman. Actually, more of sa salt ako ano.
Just start from the sour first.
Hindi, mataas yung creatinine. Eh di ba pag mataas ng creatinine, signals na yung kidney mo medyo ano.
Pero high protein ka pa rin.
Hindi ko pa matanggal eh. Actually, oo nga eh, pero di ko pa matanggal. Pero yun naman, basta chicken na lang, tsaka fish, gano'n. Tinanggal ko na yung mga red meat.
Coconut ice cream, 10,000 no, for one.
Sorry?
Coconut ice cream,
Coconut ice cream.
yeah.
Yeah.
10,000.
10,000.
Okay, I will buy one.
I'll buy later, after this. I'll buy later.
Thank you very much.
Guava.
Ano kaya nasa loob niya? May mga crunchy na bits.
Baka ano, peanut? Hindi naman.
It's different.
Dragon fruit. Yan, sasakay na kami sa rowing boat.
Picturean ba kita?
Okay lang, mamaya na. Pag maganda na. Hey! So we're now here sa rowing boat. Buti hindi mabaho, no? Ah. Oops. Oops. Ay. Guys, mag-sombrero daw, guys. Oh, pang-picture. Ito. Oh. Get one and pass. Tsaka. Ayan, isa-isa. Yan. Para maganda pong picture.
Para Vietnam na Vietnam.
Mm. Do we have crocodile here? No crocodile. Okay, no crocodile daw. Wow. Wala, may mga crocodile. Mga crocodile na bata. Wala, gumigewang. Ah. Yung mga bata nagsiswimming lang sa gilid. Water coconut. Guys, nakababa na ulit kami. So ito ay parang kalamay yata nila yan. Kalamay. And then we have here, oh, yema. Is that yema? O kalamay? O yema?
Parang yema si
Yema. That.
Masarap ba?
parang hindi ko
Oo, hindi ba kuya?
Sarap. So this is Coconut Factory. So lahat ng products ng coconut. Ito is yung parang kalamay o yema, pero masarap siya. Ito kung gusto mong bumili. Ah. So this is the snake wine. Wow, snake wine. Ah. Cobra. Cobra. Oo, ng ahas. Ayan o. Cobra. Wala, cobra. Cobra. Ginseng. This one is, what is this? Dahon-dahon. Grabe yung cobra. 1,200. 1,200,000. Good for stomach, ginseng. How about the snake? Snake
Oh,
one.
everything good for stomach.
Good for stomach.
Brought to the stomach ache. One day, once go. Yes, here.
Oh. Umiinom po kayo niyan, di ba ginseng? Pag Chinese po, umiinom po kayo.
They may try ginseng like this.
Ginseng only, no snake.
They have snake here.
do not want snake.
Hello. Hello.
This is a snake. Why they don't have snake inside?
What kind of snake is that?
The river snake, the normal one. Sometimes they mix with the cobra like here. It's more stronger. You see only the skin. Before they dip in the wine, they have to take out every intestine inside, the liver, the organ, everything. Because sometimes they have the venom. So they have to make by the right way. If the wrong way, they have the venom, the dye,
That can kill us.
The poison. They can kill the people. Yes.
So,
But only the skin, they have the nutrients. Nutrients good for the stomach. All the people, the elder people here to drink snake wine. But you cannot buy. You can try. You want to try?
a little.
Tastes like whiskey.
Just a little. Just a little. Super little. Yeah, that's enough. Let's try. Let's try.
Amoy dyan.
Have you tried it already?
A lot.
It's nice.
It's nice. It's like whiskey.
Baka amoy ginseng. Wow, anong reaction niya?
Okay naman. Parang ano lang din siya, alak. Wala namang lansa.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
It's
very tasty.
ordinary. Organic.
Can you guess how many percent of the alcohol?
How many percent?
Can you guess? Depends on your flavor.
Hindi kasi ako talaga masyadong 20?
It's 40.
40.
At least 40 to 80.
Kaya pala parang uminit agad yung ano.
Color. This color,
Tenga ko.
I guess is a
Okay. Babalik na kami. Tapos na. Enjoy! Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. So guys, by the way, binook ko to kasabay or magka-package sila ni Gucci Tunnel for 2,600 sa Klook. So yun guys, no, very sulit talaga siya. So one day tour ito. And para naman makita nyo kung anong nangyari sa Gucci Tunnel, so nilagay ko dito. Yan, no? So panoorin nyo rin guys yung part 1 nitong vlog natin. Okay, thank you so much guys and see you soon on our next vlog. Bye-bye! Like and subscribe!